IoT or the Internet of Things is influencing our day-to-day activities. From your smartwatch to your smart cars are IoT devices. IoT is a large network of connected devices. These devices share data over the Internet. Almost every physical device is having embedded sensors or sensing information from your surroundings. The data from the sensors are shared to a cloud using common IoT platforms. These platforms integrates data from different sources. Further analytics is performed on data and valuable information is extracted as per requirement. IoT is stepping into almost all fields, like in your home for automation and controlling, in your industries for improving production, in your medical devices for health monitoring, and in your field for monitoring and controlling. Let's see an example for how an IoT device is working. Here different sensors are fixed on a vehicle and are sensing parameters associated with it. The information from the sensors are manipulated by the controlling device like a Raspberry Pi or an Arduino. These controlling devices will share the data to the cloud using internet. And the dashboard setup on the user's device is always updating its field from the cloud. Let's have a look at some DIY IoT projects.
Okay Google, turn on light 3.
Okay Shop, turning on light 3.
Okay Google, turn on light 2.
Okay Shop, turning on light 2.
Okay Google, turn on light 1.
Okay Shop, turning on light 1.